Hey guys, so Pamo has the new updates that make the posting process very seamless for users. There are 3 ways of posting on Pamo now. 1. You can simply upload the photo of the item you're looking to buy or purchase. Simply tap on the post button and select the first option, take or upload photo. You can simply take a picture of the item you're looking to buy or choose from gallery. Type the name of the item you're looking to purchase. And type any additional specifications you have. Key in your budget or an amount you are willing to pay for, and include your delivery location. And just like that, you have made a post on Pamo. And it's that easy, guys. That's how to post on Pamo.